first, I apply moisturizing cream before I put makeup on my face. So just put on your face, on my face, moisturizer cream. So next, I put liquid foundation for the base. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is wet look makeup tutorial. Kung napapansin niyo basa ang aking hair, kasi ang ating makeup tutorial for today is a wet look makeup tutorial. So ayan guys, let's go and watch it and learn guys. So ayan, I just blend the liquid foundation using my foam. After that, I use my concealer. Lagay sa ilalim ng mata. Eye bags. Ayan. I just apply it there, guys. And then blend it together. So next, contour. That is my contour palette. So, kung di nyo pa alam kung paano maglagay ng contour, meron po akong video tutorial niyan. Nasa description box ko po ang link niyan kung paano mag-apply ng contour on your face. So that is only my way. So I hope if you will like it guys. It depends on you guys if you like it. So, after that, just blend it using your phone to the other side. This other side, I use the other side. Blend it together so it will blend it to your face. And then next, I use powder. Then use brush to remove the powder. Next is eyebrow. Tanan! So yan guys. Ang aking eyebrow tutorial ay nasa link po. Nasa description box po ang link niya. Kung gusto po ninyo malaman kung paano ko ginawa yung aking eyebrow, nasa baba po ang link. So next po natin is blush on. I just use a peach blush on guys. Don't mind my face, guys. Do I look like funny? I think no. And then I use the highlighter. For the cheekbone, nose. Because our makeup today is a wet look makeup tutorial. It's look like you're wet. Even though you're not wet. Even though your makeup is not wet. It's look like a wet only. For the nose line, of course, I always put nose line for my nose. Para magdi matangos ang akilong. Look matangos pa. Matangos na siya, diba guys? Magic! So, just brush it using your contour palette. Again, blend it. And then next natin is eyeshadow. I just use the gold color for the base. So we use the gold color for the base of our shadow. Because we use the natural wet look makeup tutorial. So blend it, put it to your underneath of your eyes, and then blend. It look like that, guys. Then next, I use the silver eyeshadow for the final eyeshadow color. So just blend it to your eye and then make it dry because it's a liquid eyeshadow, guys. So look guys, it's look wet, right? Because I use the liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's a silver eyeshadow. So it's look wet. So the face, the nose, and the eyes is look wet. So I will put my fake eyelashes, guys. Tadan! Ayan na guys, nilagay ko na siya. So hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko ilagay yan kasi medyo mahirap siya ilagay. Eyebrow and putting fake eyelashes is the hard. It's hard. So I use again a liquid lipstick. It's a glitter lipstick. So it look like wet. Look guys, finally my lips is look wet. Almost done. So for the final, use the face powder. And of course, for our last touch is the highlighter wet look. So I use that highlighter wet look for the final touch, guys. So I look wet look. Just blend it using your finger. Just put it there. So it's more look wet. You see? And now my face is look wet, even though it's just only a makeup. Ta-da! Guys, ayan, finally, here I am. My face is look wet. It's a wet look makeup tutorial. My face and my hair is look wet. Actually, my hair is wet. I just fresh from the bath. So yan guys, I hope my makeup tutorial today it helped to you. So if you want more, you can comment down. I will read it and do it next time. Kung mayroon kayong request na makeup tutorial na gusto niyo malaman at gusto ninyong i-makeup tutorial ko, just comment down lang guys. So yan, thank you so much guys for watching my videos today again. So I hope we can see each other again. And don't forget guys to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment lang kayo guys ha. Don't forget. And see you again next time to my vlog. It's makeup tutorial vlog. See you again next time. Bye bye. Thank you, and thank you, and I love you all guys. My face look, it's a wet look makeup tutorial. I love it guys, super. I love my makeup today. I really love it. Even though it's look like nude, but I love it. Thank you so much.